They found me.
That joke is so old.
What? Oh, yeah. that was a joke.
Yeah.
How did they find me?
Okay, you killed it.
What? I didn't kill anything.
I meant the joke.
Oh, you meant, oh. Seriously though.
What?
Haha, never mind.
Look, I don't know what you're trying to pull here, but you're acting really strange.
Yeah, I know, I'm just joking around.
You can stop now, it's not funny anymore.
Hey, I need to go hide in, use your bathroom.
Did you say hide in?
What? Oh, I never said that.
It sure sounded like it.
Well, either way, can I go?
First, tell me what's going on.
Nothing's going on, I'm not hiding anything.
See?
Even if I was, I wouldn't tell you where. I didn't do anything!
Yes, you did. Now spill.
No!
Tell me now or I'll call the police.
Okay, fine. I accidentally ran over John Ribbons.
Oh my gosh, you're a murderer.
It's not murder if it was mostly an accident.
Well, what do you mean mostly?
Well, he ran over my dog.
Your dog ran directly into that car, and that was 3 years ago.
I didn't know, okay? I saw him and I accidentally swerved the car.
So it was a hit and run.
Well, he couldn't exactly run after I hit him.
Not him, the car. That's what it's called when you hit someone and drive off.
Yeah. Yes, it was.
So what are you gonna do about it?
I don't know. I'm not good in stressful situations.
Stressful situations. A man is dead because of you. The least you could do is apologize.
But then I would get arrested.
Well, duh. It's not like they're going to give you a friendly reminder not to run people over and send you on your way. This is a big deal.
Can you stop yelling at me at least?
I am this close to calling the cops myself.
No, please don't.
And why shouldn't I?
Because I'm a good person. Stop! I'll pay you.
How much?
I've got a gift card to Cafe Rio.
How much is on it?
$3.
You're gonna have to pay more than that.
I've got a bus pass too. Premium.
Keep it coming. Stop.
Is this enough?
Eh. That'll work.
So you won't call the police?
We had a deal, didn't we? I'm gonna go for a spin on my new ride, alright?
Okay, have fun with that.
I will. See ya.
That's the car I hit John with. I hope there weren't any witnesses.